Unwrapping the secrets of gift wrapping paper. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that we often encounter, especially during the holiday season or when preparing for a special occasion. The phrase is gift wrapping paper. We'll explore its meaning, uses, and some fun facts about it. Whether you're learning English or just love to enrich your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unwrap the secrets behind gift wrapping paper. Gift wrapping paper is a kind of paper designed specifically for wrapping gifts. It's usually colorful, decorative, and comes in various designs and thicknesses. The primary purpose of gift wrapping paper is to conceal the gift until it's opened, adding an element of surprise and making the gift-giving process even more special. It's a staple during birthdays, Christmas, weddings, and many other celebrations. The tradition of wrapping gifts can be traced back to ancient cultures. However, the use of decorative paper for this purpose started in the 20th century. Initially, gifts were wrapped in simple materials like brown paper or fabric. The transition to more decorative options reflects changes in social norms and the commercialization of holidays, especially Christmas. Today, gift wrapping paper is an industry of its own, with endless options to choose from. When selecting gift wrapping paper, consider the occasion, the personal taste of the recipient, and the size of the gift. For instance, a child's birthday present might be wrapped in paper featuring cartoons or bright colors, while a wedding gift might be enveloped in more elegant, subtle designs. The quality of paper also matters, as thicker papers tend to tear less easily and can make even a simple gift feel more luxurious. Gift wrapping practices vary significantly across cultures, adding a fascinating layer to the concept of gift giving. In some cultures, the color and style of wrapping paper are imbued with meaning. For example, in many Asian cultures, red is considered auspicious and is a popular choice for weddings and New Year gifts. Meanwhile, eco-friendly wrapping options, such as reusable cloths or recycled paper, have gained popularity worldwide, reflecting growing environmental awareness. We hope this exploration of gift wrapping paper has added a bit of color and knowledge to your day. Gift wrapping is more than just covering a present. It's a thoughtful gesture that enhances the gift-giving experience, making it memorable for both the giver and the receiver. Whether you're selecting the perfect wrapping paper for a friend's birthday or simply curious about the tradition, remember that it's the care and thought that count the most. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to unwrapping more interesting topics with you in the future.